Have you ever noticed a musty smell on your freshly washed clothes? Or maybe your washing machine doesn't smell as fresh as it used to. Many people don't realize that washing machines also need regular cleaning. Over time, detergent residue, fabric softener, dirt, body oils, and moisture can build up inside the drum and hidden parts of the machine. This build-up can lead to unpleasant odors and may affect how clean your laundry smells. The good news is that you can clean your washing machine using a few simple household ingredients. In this video, I'll show you how to use white vinegar and baking soda the right way, plus a few important mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. It might sound strange, but the appliance that cleans your clothes also gets dirty. Every wash leaves behind tiny amounts of detergent, minerals from hard water, lint, body oils, and moisture. These can collect inside the drum, rubber seals, detergent drawer, and drain areas. Over time, this build-up may create unpleasant odors and provide an environment where mold and mildew can develop, especially if the washer door stays closed after every load. Regular cleaning helps keep the machine fresher and can improve its overall cleanliness. For today's cleaning method, you'll need 2 cups of white vinegar, half a cup of baking soda, a clean microfiber cloth, an old toothbrush or a small cleaning brush. That's all you need. Here's one important tip that many people get wrong. Don't mix baking soda and vinegar together in the same container before using them. When they're mixed, they immediately react and neutralize each other. Instead, we'll use them in separate cleaning cycles so each ingredient can do its job more effectively. First, make sure your washing machine is completely empty. Pour about 2 cups of white vinegar directly into the drum or into the detergent dispenser if your manufacturer recommends it. Now select the hottest and longest wash cycle available. The warm vinegar solution helps loosen detergent residue, dissolve mineral deposits, and reduce odors inside the machine. If your washer has a pause feature, you can pause the cycle for about 30 minutes to allow the vinegar to work before finishing the wash. After the vinegar cycle is finished, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda directly into the empty drum. Run another hot wash cycle. Baking soda helps freshen the drum and can assist with removing remaining residue and odors. By using these 2 ingredients separately, you get a more effective cleaning process. While the machine is clean inside, don't forget the parts people often miss. Pull out the detergent drawer and wash away any detergent buildup. If you have a front-loading machine, gently wipe around the rubber door seal. You'll often find moisture, lint, or small debris hiding inside the folds. Also wipe the inside of the door, the drum, and the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. These simple steps make a big difference. For most households, cleaning your washing machine once every month is a good routine. If you wash clothes every day or frequently wash sportswear, towels, or pet bedding, you may benefit from cleaning it a little more often. Regular maintenance helps reduce odors before they become a problem. Before we finish, here are a few mistakes to avoid. Never mix vinegar with bleach. This combination can produce dangerous fumes. Don't overload your washing machine. Overloading can leave more residue behind. After every wash, leave the door or lid slightly open for a while so moisture can escape. This simple habit helps reduce mold and mildew growth. Finally, always check your washing machine's user manual, since some manufacturers recommend specific cleaning products or maintenance procedures. Let's quickly review. Empty the washing machine. Run 1 hot cycle with white vinegar. Run a second hot cycle with baking soda. Clean the detergent drawer and rubber seal. Leave the door open after each wash. Following these simple steps can help keep your washing machine smelling fresher and ready for your next load of laundry. I hope you found this cleaning tip helpful. If you enjoy practical home cleaning ideas and easy household hacks, you're in the right place. Don't forget to check out more videos here on Home Care Hacks with Okamsozor, where we share simple home remedies, DIY cleaning tips, and practical ideas to help keep your home clean, fresh, and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.